Jai Gurudev. Children, in last video we studied about series arrangement of registers and parallel arrangement and about potential difference and current. We have some questions. Question number 1. Here is circuit. In this circuit, 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected to a 3-volt cell. Here you see current start from positive terminal and divide at point A. I1 and I2. You know, current divide at point A, I1, I2 in 2 branches and combine at B. So, this R1 and R2, 2 resistors are in parallel. Suppose total resistance of R1, R2 is R dash, then R3 and R dash become in series. Now, we calculate total resistance of this circuit. Our question: calculate equivalent resistance of circuit. Solution: in series first in parallel. R1 1 upon R2. Put value 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3. 6 LCM, 3 plus 2, 5 upon 6. In this way, R dash equal 6 upon 5 or 1.2 ohm. Now, in series, R equal R dash plus R3, 1.2 plus 4 ohm. Its value 1.2 ohm and its value 4 ohm. Then these 2 resistors are in series. 1.2 plus 4, 5.2 ohm. It is equivalent resistance of this circuit. Now, question number 2. Calculate equivalent resistance figure. Resistance R1, here R2, here R3, here R4. Current enter from point A and out from point B. It is first part. Secondly, R1, R2, R3. Current enter at point A and out from B. It is second part. All resistance R1, R2, R3 and R4 are 2 ohm. Now, first solution. Consider, you see current enter from point A and divide in R1 and R2. Same current flow through R3, that is through R1. It means R1 and R3 are in series, and R2 and R4 also in series. बच्चों समझ गए? जो करंट R1 से फ्लो हो रही है वही R3 में फ्लो होगी, इसलिए R1 R3 सीरीज में है और R2 R4 भी सीरीज में है, बट बोथ ब्रांच आर इन पैरेलल. सो इन सीरीज total resistance of R1 and R3 is R dash. 2 ohm plus 2 ohm equal 4 ohm. और second branch R double dash, R2 plus R4 equal 2 ohm plus 2 ohm equal 4 ohm. Now in parallel, 1 upon R equal 1 upon R dash plus 1 upon R double dash. R1 plus R3 का टोटल R dash 4 ohm. R2 R4 का टोटल also 4 ohm. Now R dash and R double dash are in parallel. So 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 equal 2 upon 4 equal 1 upon 2, then R equal 2 ohm. Answer. Now, second part. You see current divide from point A. Current that flow through R2, same current flow through R3. यानी जो करंट R2 से फ्लो होगी वही R3 से फ्लो होगी. यहाँ पे सिंगल रास्ता है तो ये दोनों रजिस्टर सीरीज में हो गए. इन सीरीज R dash equal R2 plus R3, 2 ohm plus 2 ohm equal 4 ohm. In parallel, this branch and this branch are in parallel. So R dash, total resistance of this branch, R dash, and R1, both branches are parallel. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 4 LCM, equivalent resistance 4 by 3 ohm. Answer. Here question number 3. It has two parts. You see circuit diagram or combination of resistors. Here R1, R2 and R3. Resistance of R1 equal to 2 ohm. Resistance of R2 3 ohm. Resistance of R3 2 ohm. You see current enter from this point and divide. So this wire and this wire are in parallel, but R1 and R2 are in series. R1 and R2 are in series because same current flow through R2, that is in through R1. So in series, R dash equal R1 plus R2. 2 ohm plus 3 ohm equal 5 ohm. This resistance, total resistance of R1 and R2 is parallel to R3. One upon R equal 1 upon r dash plus 1 upon r3, 5 ohm plus 2 ohm, LCM 10, 2 plus 5 equals 7 upon 10, then R equal 10 upon 7 ohm. अगेन बच्चों आप देख रहे हैं कि करंट जो है यहां से डिवाइड हो रही है, तो जो ये वायर हैं ये वायर पैरेलल में हो जाते हैं, और जो R1 में करंट जा रही है वही R2 में जाएगी, इसलिए R1 और R2 सीरीज में होते हैं। सीरीज का फार्मूला होता है R1 प्लस R2, और पैरेलल का फार्मूला 1 अपॉन R इक्वल 1 अपॉन R डैश प्लस 1 अपॉन R3। नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन, same method. Here R1 and R2 are series. Here resistance R1 and R2 are in series. Then total resistance connect R3 with parallel. Total resistance of this branch is parallel to R3. Same method for this triangle. Total resistance and R4 are in series. Then total resistance parallel to R5. फिर same method. Total resistance and R6 are parallel. Series. Then total of this resistance parallel. Look. In series, R1 plus R2, 1 ohm plus 2 ohm equal 3 ohm. R1 plus R2 are a series. Series का फार्मूला है 3 ohm. Then this total resistance parallel to R3. R double dash, R dash, R3. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 equal 2 upon 3, 1.5 ohm. Again, this total resistance R double dash and R4 are in series. .5 plus 1.5 equal 3 ohm. You clearly understand. Same method for each triangle circuit diagram. Series and total parallel. Again series, total parallel. Again series, then total parallel. Now in parallel, R fourth dash, R triple dash and R 4 हो गया, R5. This and this series 3 ohm. Then 3 ohm plus 3 ohm parallel. Then total resistance 1.5 ohm. 1.5 and 1.5 again series. Then total resistance 3 ohm. Of this 3 ohm resistance and R5 are parallel. .5 ohm. अब total resistance this 1.5 ohm and R6 also a series. Here R fifth dash, R fourth, and R 6. 1.5 plus 1.5 equal 3 ohm. This and this equal 3 ohm. Again this total parallel to R7. R fifth, R dash fifth plus R7, 1/3 plus 1/3, then equivalent resistance 1